full of bog. It's rusty. I mean, look at that. You can see that moving that would just open this up like craters of bog and rust. No point going any further. It's not rubbing there. So we're going for a U-shaped roll. I know on the camera you don't really see it, but that is bent up. The angle of that is, if you look, my hand will probably give you an idea of the angle that it's at. So normally it's like so, which is 90 degrees. It's actually around there now. All right, so it's more than probably 55 degrees up. It's like a U shape. That gets it out of the way. The other side, we're gonna grind this part here to get a bit more clearance out of that. We're just gonna stick the grinder on that, just shave off another couple of mil to save the paint from cracking along here. Now I've just done a bit of grinding, shaving there. Hold on, get some better light. What I want to show you is this white bit that you're seeing there, that's all bog. See how thick that bog is? Look at the mess from the repairer. I mean, that's just... Okay. It doesn't look pretty from here on the camera, but I can tell you that just if you're looking at from this profile, which is pretty much the tire profile, you can see that there's a lot of it is now out the way. It's much smoother and the tire isn't going to catch. And if we have a look here, you could just see, hold on, there we go. That's just that tiny bit that's rubbing. So I know it's hard to tell on the video, but trust me, there is about 10 mil extra clearance there that it didn't have.